Hello, hi, how are you? I hope you are good. And it is Saturday here, and today I am going to discuss or practice a cue card, and it is again from the same book, Mucker's Jan to April 2021. I found this cue card very interesting, and this cue card is describe a time when you felt bored. And the questions are when and where was it? Second question is why did you get bored? And the third question is how do you how you felt about it. This cue card is interesting. Actually, I came across so many different situations. Then I realized that I would talk about the situation that I chose. So I think I can start now as I did some preparation earlier. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to start. Describe a time when you felt bored. Normally, I don't feel bored at all because I keeps my day in an organized way, and I always make schedules and appointments earlier. Last month in July, I really had a very boring day because of my own mistake. I went to the doctor's office as per the appointment, and clearly I was 15 minutes late. So I straight went to the reception counter and told them that uh, I was late, and they said I would have to wait for an hour because the doctor had already allowed the next patient. So I gave her a disapproving look because I really felt bad, but I really had no other choice. So I sat in the corner on a chair in front of a glass table. For the first 10 minutes, I really didn't do anything. I just sat in silence. I stared at the floor, but suddenly I realized there was some commotion, and I found that people were talking relentlessly about all sorts of things, and there were children as well who were making all kinds of noises. So, in order to get rid of them, I picked up a magazine which was on the same table, but to my utter dissatisfaction, I couldn't find even a single business or financial magazine. All were related to Hollywood or glamorous world. So I put the magazine back, and this was the most funny part. At one point, I found myself completely focused, staring on the wall in front of me, and I was just feeling very revolting, and I couldn't contain my agony. So I realized that I couldn't tolerate it anymore because I had one more appointment as well on this with my financial advisor. So I realized that I will leave now and I would come here on some other day. As I was on the exit gate, I just heard the nurse calling my name, and she said it was my turn. Oh my god, the sigh of relief that I had was of intense pleasure. And after the doctor's visit, I made the resolution that in the future I will always reach the doctor's office on time or earlier. So I think this was the day when I felt very bored. That's it. Oh my god. I crossed the limit of 2 minutes, but it's okay. It was just a practice session. I hope I justified this cue card. Uh, Let me check whether I answered all the questions. Yeah, answering the questions, it's most important because if you miss even a single question, getting 7 bands becomes almost impossible. So always try to answer the questions when you what you see below the cue card. So that's it. I just wanted to discuss this cue card, and I hope as it is Saturday, I would be able to talk about on some other cue cards as well. as I had decided that on my holidays I would discuss more cue cards. And if you have any special or any challenging cue card, you can write it down in the comment section and I will try to discuss it as best as I could. So yeah, this is the cue card that I wanted to discuss. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.